Amazing tactical gear and survival gadgets. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a camping aficionado, or someone who values being ready for any situation, these tools are designed to enhance your safety and elevate your experiences. From multifunctional tools to innovative survival gadgets, our showcase brings you the best in gear that combines practicality with a sense of awe. Get ready to explore the world of incredible equipment that not only meets the challenges of the great outdoors, but does so in style. Pro-X. Pro-X stands as an embodiment of tactical ingenuity, a multifunctional tool meticulously designed to meet the diverse challenges posed by survival scenarios. At the core of this tactical marvel is a robust construction that integrates a plethora of essential tools within its compact frame. The Pro-X doesn't just stop at being a mere multi-tool. It is a testament to precision engineering and thoughtful design. Crafted with a focus on adaptability, the Pro-X features a sharp blade that transcends the ordinary, complemented by versatile pliers, wire cutters, and an assortment of screwdrivers. Its ergonomic handles are a symphony of comfort and control, ensuring a secure grip during critical tasks. The Pro-X is not merely a tool. It is a beacon of readiness, a reliable companion in the face of uncertainty. Whether navigating the challenges of the wilderness or responding to urban emergencies, the Pro-X emerges as an indispensable ally. The Acapelle. In the world of survival tools, the Acapelle stands out as a beacon of innovation, challenging preconceived notions with its compact yet formidable design. Unfolding like a secret weapon, this credit card-sized gadget transforms into a utility knife, marrying simplicity with functionality in a pocket-sized wonder. The Acapelle isn't just a cutting tool, it is a testament to efficiency and portability. Crafted from durable materials, it boasts a sharp blade that effortlessly handles various cutting tasks. The foldable design ensures safety during storage and transport, making it an ideal companion for both survival scenarios and everyday challenges. Beyond its primary function, the Acapelle reveals additional features, such as a bottle opener and screwdriver, adding layers of utility to its minimalist design. It embodies the spirit of adaptability, catering to the dynamic needs of individuals navigating diverse environments. Go-Bout. In the realm of multi-tools, the Go-Bout stands as a pocket-sized powerhouse, challenging conventions with its unfolding mechanism that reveals a comprehensive set of tools. Compact and credit card-sized, this gadget unfolds into a versatile ensemble, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, cord cutter, and wrench. Crafted with precision from high-quality materials, the Go-Bout is a testament to durability without compromise. It seamlessly integrates into everyday carry essentials, catering to the dynamic needs of individuals navigating both urban and outdoor landscapes. The unfolding mechanism is not just a novelty, it is a practical solution, allowing users to access the desired tool quickly and efficiently. Whether tightening a loose screw, opening a bottle, or handling unexpected challenges, the Go-Bout is a reliable companion. Its compact brilliance and thoughtful design make it an essential addition to the toolkit of those who appreciate functionality in a credit card-sized form. The Go-Bout doesn't just fit in your pocket, it unfolds a world of possibilities with every deployment. Campmade. Campmade redefines outdoor cooking with a revolutionary approach, transforming from a compact case into a complete cooking system that adapts to various scenarios. This modular cooking marvel unfolds to reveal a grill, griddle, and pot holder, offering a comprehensive solution for outdoor culinary adventures. Crafted from heat-resistant materials, Campmade ensures safety and durability in the midst of the open flame. Its modular design enhances portability, making it an indispensable tool for campers, survivalists, or anyone seeking a versatile cooking system that meets the challenges of the wild. Campmade isn't just a cooking set, it's a testament to ingenuity in outdoor gear, enhancing the experience of cooking in the great outdoors. Beyond its practicality, Campmade symbolizes adaptability, catering to different cooking needs with a single foldable solution. Its versatility extends from grilling over an open flame to preparing a meal on a portable stove. For those who appreciate innovation in outdoor cooking, Campmade is more than a tool. It's a transformative culinary companion that unfolds a world of possibilities. Tri-Tac. Tri-Tac emerges as a sophisticated tactical pen, seamlessly blending the art of writing with discreet yet powerful survival features. More than just a writing instrument, Tri-Tac integrates a glass breaker and a concealed blade, making it a versatile tool for both daily use and emergency situations. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, The TreTac embodies durability without compromising on weight. Its tactical prowess extends to a spring-loaded glass breaker tip, providing a reliable means of escape in critical moments. The TreTac is not just a pen. It is a harmonious fusion of practicality and self-defense, standing as an essential companion for those who value a multifunctional gadget in their everyday carry arsenal. Whether signing documents in the office or ensuring personal safety in unforeseen circumstances, the TreTac is a reliable companion that seamlessly transitions between the ordinary and the extraordinary. Its thoughtful design and robust construction make it a symbol of adaptability, ready to tackle a spectrum of challenges with elegance and efficiency. M-Key 3. M-Key 3 stands as a testament to the evolution of multi-tools, seamlessly combining precision engineering with a comprehensive set of functionalities. Compact and versatile, the M-Key 3 boasts pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, and a blade within its sleek design. Its ergonomic construction ensures a comfortable grip, making it an ideal companion for diverse scenarios. The M-Key 3's durability and portability make it an indispensable tool for survival situations, camping trips, or everyday tasks that demand adaptability. Its compact form factor doesn't compromise on functionality. Rather, it enhances the user experience by providing a range of tools in one compact package. Scrade SCHF28. The Scrade SCHF28 stands as a stalwart in the realm of survival knives, balancing rugged durability with a practical design that caters to a myriad of outdoor tasks. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, its robust blade is designed to handle cutting, slicing, and piercing with exceptional strength and edge retention. The full-tank construction ensures reliability and resilience, making the SCHF28 a trusted tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. The textured handle provides a secure grip, even in challenging conditions, ensuring user confidence in the face of various outdoor challenges. R500 Armor. R500 Armor represents the forefront of personal protection, offering lightweight yet highly effective body armor solutions designed to safeguard individuals against various threats. Crafted from high-quality ballistic steel, the armor plates provide exceptional durability and defense without compromising on flexibility. The design of AR500 armor prioritizes comfort, ensuring wearers can move with ease while still benefiting from advanced protection. Its modular system allows users to customize their level of protection based on specific needs, catering to personal defense, outdoor activities, or survival scenarios. Miller Bros Blades. Miller Bros Blades elevate the concept of survival and tactical knives into a realm of precision craftsmanship. Each blade is meticulously crafted from high-quality steel, embodying a fusion of functional excellence and artistic design. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, allowing users to tackle various cutting tasks with confidence. From bushcraft to self-defense, Miller Bros blades cater to a diverse range of survival needs. The attention to detail and craftsmanship, combined with the use of premium materials, makes these blades not just tools but functional works of art. The Miller Bros blades are a testament to the marriage of form and function, offering users a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution for their survival and tactical knife needs. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.